All right, so here are some more examples for problem set 14, especially dealing with problems 9 and 10, where you are told to simplify the expression. And in this case, you will not get an answer of x equals because you're not solving anything. You'll just get an expression that is simpler than the one that you started with. A couple of big ideas to remember: that exponentials and logs with the same base cancel each other. Okay, so if I have an exponential function with a base 3, and I'm applying to that a log base 3, well, then they will cancel each other out. Next, you got to remember that ln is the log base e. Okay, and that the log is the log base 10. Again, this is the natural logarithm, and this is the common logarithm. Okay, so again, if I'm looking at this first one right here, e to the ln of 3x, well, again, I'm applying e to the natural log. They both have the same base, and so the e will cancel the ln, giving me just 3x. So over here in this expression here, negative 5 plus 3 e to the ln. Well, again, I see this e to the ln. So these will cancel each other out, giving me negative 5 plus 3 times 3x plus 2. We'll distribute the 3 and combine. Negative 5 plus 6 is 1 plus 9x. Well, it's the same thing down here. Here, though, we're taking the ln. This is not multiplication. This is a function. This is a process. So we're taking the ln of e to the 2x. So the ln and the e will cancel, giving me 2x. Okay. Over here, well, again, we're not taking the ln directly of e. So we first of all have to look at this and say, is this, or can we use some sort of property of logarithms? So is this expression in here a product, a quotient, a power, or nothing? And if I look, this is 4 times e. So this is a product in here. So therefore, I'm going to be able to expand that as a product, as a sum, of logarithms. So I do have to write that as the ln of 4 plus the ln of e to the 3x minus 1. Now, this ln and this 4, can't do anything with. But the ln and the e, we can cancel. So I get 6 minus 7, ln of 4 plus 3x minus 1. We can distribute the negative 7 now. So this is minus 7 ln 4 minus 21x plus 7. We can combine any like terms, namely the 6 and the 7. And so we end with 13 minus 7 ln of 4 minus 21x. So again, the whole idea with problems like this is just remembering that exponentials and logs with the same base will cancel each other. ln is the log base e, log is the log base 10. Anytime we're taking an exponential function of a log or a log of an exponential with the same base, they will cancel each other out.